Hey guys, it's Chris. Welcome back to another RVI trip tip. Today we're going to be taking a look at our Roadie Soft Shell Case, and we're going to show you guys specifically how all of our different items can fit within this case. It's designed specifically for the RVI Break 3 and any accessories that you might own to go along with that product. So let's dive in. All right guys, so as you can see, we've got our Roadie Soft Shell Case out here on the counter. So first thing we're going to put in here is the RVI Break 3. I have mine right over here. And this case is specifically engineered to fit the dimensions of the RVI Break 3. So this is a very natural fit. If we throw it in this lower lip here, it's just gonna sit very neatly just right in this lower half of the housing here. So if you can see on this top end though, this is the really cool part about the Roadie. We've got an actual pocket up here with a Velcro strap. And this is a great place to store any of your accessory products. So let's say you have a command center, tablet and hub. We're gonna go ahead and throw those in here. And then another cool thing about this is you can throw maybe your user guides in here. So again, I have my Command Center user guide, my RVI Break 3 user guide. This is a great way to store this paperwork so you never lose it. You never have to worry about trying to find it. If you ever have to rescan a QR code, it's right here. We can tuck it right in this pocket, really easy. And then we can just close the Velcro, fold this guy over like that. And then we're just gonna bring the zipper. There's two zippers, one on each side. We're just gonna bring one of those around and get that all zipped up. And there we go. This is ready for transport or storage or whatever we want to do with it. Fits nice and neatly in here. It's very secure. So again, if you own these accessory products, it's a great way to go for storage. Another thing you can do if you choose, maybe you have tire patrol, you can also store your tire patrol in here as well. The only thing about tire patrol that I would say is you probably will need to remove it from the original boxes. These boxes, as they are, will not fit in this case. So if you choose to throw maybe the sensors in a plastic bag, one for your motorhome, one for your towed vehicle, or if you just wanted to throw them all in there just individually, however it's going to work for you, that's totally fine. It's personal preference, but you can store these in here as well. There's some extra room in that pocket. So again, great way to store and protect the resale value of your RVI Break 3. So as you guys can see, the Roadie case is a great solution if you're looking to store your RVI Break 3 and accessories. Obviously, the RVI Break 3 does have a handle for storage and carrying, but this is a great way to protect the resale value on your brake and also just to store it. We know that some of you don't RV all year long. Sometimes you're just out for the season. This is a great way to protect everything, whether you own just the brake or whether you own the brake and some accessory products like Tire Patrol or your Command Center. So if you've got any questions on the Roadie case or any of these products we've seen today, don't hesitate to reach out. We're available by phone, chat, or email. In the meantime, guys, happy RVing.